Okay, so let's take a look at one of the Zap that involves Gmail and Google Drive, or you can even mix match with any other of your choice. So what I want to do is, let's say email comes in, we will create a new file, right? And then maybe upload some of that email's content into say Google Docs, right? So basically what we are going to do is use Zapier with Google Docs. So when Gmail has new email, put it into the Google Docs, right? So we'll generate this app, and it will create one for us as it is prompt based AI. Right here you can see sync Gmail emails to Google Docs. So I will try this one. However, it will require me to connect to one of the Google Docs existing document. So for that I will just type in Google Docs and then go there, create the document with name something like Zapier, right? So that we can literally choose it from our Google Drive. Can say Zap is one of the name, but I just want to make it Zapier and not just Zap. Right here you see all these ads and notes and tips. You will ignore them. Right now, go back to Zapier. Make sure to have your Gmail account in sync. Show them that you want to get the data from inbox. Then continue. Then let's move to next text, which is trigger, right? And once we test the trigger, you have email, continue with records, right? Then connect Google Docs. We will sign in, right? And here you see option to choose your account and then allow that with the Zapier one. Click continue, and here you have your document name. Let's wait and get it. Okay, so basically what I will enter into is subject. It's the name of that. The document content is the body HTML. Okay, so that's how it is going to work. Folder should be root or what's available, right? So we will search for that, and here trying to find one of the options here. So the point with this particular Google Docs is to be available in the folder, right? So let's take a look at one such. So I'll go with personal folder and then continue it, right? So our data will be over there. I can test this app, and if it's okay, we'll be checking one. I will just go to Google Drive, right? So I will go there and check whether I can access it. So here's the drive option, and within the personal folder I can check the same. So let's take a look at folders instead of files, right? And show more folders. It should, let's see, personal needs to be there, right? And we have one of the sheet being tested, right? So whenever we publish this, let's see. Okay, Zap is published, so here it should be available, right? So let's try and refresh this. Okay, and here let's see what's available. Right, so here we basically got our document. So it says your Zapier password reset was successful. This was one of the last email that I have got. So if I open it, it should show me the contents of that email as is within the docs. So it's basically HTML. So it is trying to format all of that. Here you see another Zapier document where you can see that it didn't pick this one, but it is creating the one for every new email that matches our search. Right, so we pretty much have managed to get the email as per our test. Right, so you connected Gmail with your Zapier and then Zapier to Google Docs for one of the triggered condition that resulted in the result of a new file.